Good morning, class second. Today we will writing question answer of chapter 4. So let's students writing question answer. Take out your CW copy science and write properly. First of all, write here lesson number 4 and classwork. CLASS class WORK work classwork date and ANSWERSR answer the following FOLLOW following WING following questions QUESTIONS questions. Okay, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Okay students, write neat and clean. Question number 1 is, what are WHAT what are wild animals? WILD wild. ANI animals. MALS mals. What are wild animals? What are wild animals? The answer is ANS. Answer, animals that ANIMALS animals that 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 live 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 in front in forest 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 are called 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 wild 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 animals. Okay, animals that live in forest are called wild animals. ANIMALS animals that 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 live 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 in forest are called wild animals. Okay, now question number 2 is, which animal WHICH which animal animals take shelter take shelter SHELTER take shelter under the UNDER under the tree under the tree. Which animal takes shelter under the tree? WHICH, which ANIMALS animals take take shelter 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 under 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 the tree. Answer ANS. Answer E LE PHANT elephant. Giraffe GIRAFFE giraffe. And zebra and zebra 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 are take shelter 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 under the tree. So question number 2 is, which animal takes shelter under the tree? Answer elephant, giraffe and zebra all take shelter under the tree. ELEPHANT elephant, GIRAFFE giraffe and ZEBRA zebra are take take shelter SHEL shelter shelter UNDER under the tree. Question number 3. Where do where do birds live? Where do birds live? WHERE, where do birds 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 live? LIVE live. Answer ANS. Answer the birds THE birds, birds, birds. Live, live, live. The birds live in nest, 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 full stop. Where do birds live? The birds live in nest. Question number 4. What is WHAT? What is the difference What is the difference? DIFFERENCE. Difference between herbivorous, and carnivorous. What is the difference between herbivorous and carnivorous? What is the difference? DIFFERENCE. Difference between bet, WEEN, ween, between herbivorous, HARBI, BORES, virus, herbivorous, and CARNI, carni, VORES, virus, herbivorous and carnivorous. The answer is ANS. Answer. Herbivorous, HARBI, harbi, BORES, herbivorous, eat, eat grass, 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 leaves, 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 and fruits, FRUITS, fruits. While carnivorous, WHILE, while carnivorous eat the flesh of other animal, OTHER, other. Herbivorous, HARBI, BORES, herbivorous, eat, 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 grass, 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 leaves, 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 and fruits, 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 wild, while, wild, carni, carni, virus, carnivorous, eat eat the flesh of, flesh of other animals. Now students, question number 5. Why do why do human being human human being human being hunt wild animals hunt hunt wild animals. Why do human beings hunt wild animals? Answer: human beings human 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 beings hunt hunt wild animals wild human beings hunt wild animals for their recreation 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 food and many other things. Human beings hunt wild animals for their recreation, food, and many other things. Okay, students. Please match your question answer and learn it. Lesson number 4. Date, classwork. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is: what are wild animals? What are wild animals? Answer: animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. animals, animals. That, 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 live, 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 in, in, forest, 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 are, called, 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 wild animals, wild, wild, animals, animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Question number 2. Which animals take shelter under the tree? Which animals take shelter under the tree? which, which, animals, animals, take, take, shelter, 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 under the tree. Answer: elephant, giraffe and zebra are take shelter under the tree. elephant, elephant, giraffe, 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 and zebra, 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 are take shelter, 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 under the tree. Elephant, giraffe and zebra are take shelter under the tree. Question number 3. Where do birds live? Question number 3. Where do birds live? Answer: the birds live in nest. The birds live in nest. The birds live in nest. Question number 4. What is the difference between herbivorous and carnivorous? What what is the difference? difference between bet and bean, between herbivorous harby virus virus and carnivorous carnivorous carnivorous. Answer: herbivorous eat grass, leaves and fruits, while carnivorous eat the flesh of other animals. Herbivorous eat grass, grass, leaves, 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 and fruits, fruits, fruits. While, while, carni, virus, eat the flesh, flesh of other animals. Question number 5. Why do human beings hunt wild animals? Why do human beings hunt wild animals? The answer is human beings hunt wild animals for their recreation, food, and many other things. Okay, students, your question answer of chapter 4 finished today. So now you write your homework in your rough copy or science SW copy. HOME, home. WORK, work, homework. Date. Learn, LEARN, learn. Chapter number. Learn chapter 1 and learn chapter 1 and 2 only word meaning. Learn chapter number 1 and 2 only word meaning. Okay, students. So this is your today's homework and learn it.